In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Binance wallet address. First, open the official Binance app or website and log in securely to your account. Make sure you're using the genuine Binance platform and that your app is up to date so the menus you see match what I'm describing. From the home screen, you have two easy paths. If you see a deposit button on the main screen, you can tap that right away. If not, go to Wallet. On mobile, Wallet is usually at the bottom of the screen. On desktop, look for it at the top. This takes you to your account balances and funding options. Inside Wallet, choose Fiat and Spot. This is the section where your spot trading balances live and where you'll find deposit details for individual cryptocurrencies. It's different from funding or earn, so be sure you're in Fiat and Spot to get the correct addresses. Next, choose the coin you want to receive. Use the search bar to type the ticker, like BTC for Bitcoin or USDT for Tether, and then click the exact asset you intend to deposit. Double-check the symbol and the network label next to the coin so you don't mix similar-sounding tokens. On the coins page, select Deposit. This opens the deposit panel specifically for that asset. You're almost there, but the next choice is critical. Select the network. This part is very important. The network you choose must match the network used by the sender or the platform you're withdrawing from. For example, USDT might be available on ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20. Picking the wrong one can result in a failed or permanently lost transfer. If the sender says they're using ERC20, choose ERC20 here. If they're using TRC20, pick TRC20, and so on. Confirm this before proceeding. When in doubt, pause and verify with the sender or the external wallet. Once the correct network is selected, your deposit address will appear. This is your unique receiving address for that coin on that specific network. You can tap copy to copy the full string of characters or use the QR code if you prefer scanning from another device. After copying, it's a good habit to glance at the first and last few characters to ensure it pasted correctly. That's it. You found your Binance wallet address by choosing the coin, selecting the correct network, and copying the address or QR code. Share only this address with the sender. Never share your login credentials or any security codes. Following these steps carefully ensures your funds arrive safely and to the right place.